This 2023 Winnebago Voyage V3538BR is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This new Winnebago is 38 feet 11 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, sleeps 8, auxiliary battery, oven, slideout, awning, DVD player, spare tire kit, microwave, stove top burner, LP detector, water heater, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, Murphy bed, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Winnebago Voyage V3538BR is 9,626 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.